Are you counting on crypto to save you from the day, a thunderstorm, or a hurricane? Well, stop counting. Last month, crypto lending platform Voyager filed for bankruptcy. This time, it's Celsius. Celsius has more than 100,000 creditors. They said they want to stabilize their business and work out a restructuring for all stakeholders. The platform held about 4.3 billion of assets against 5.5 billion of liabilities, according to court papers. The company has been trying to obtain new financing from third parties. Chief Executive Officer Alex Mashinsky said they had to file for bankruptcy for any future financing to even be possible because the number of digital assets on the company's platform grew faster than the company was prepared to deploy. As a result, the company made, in hindsight, poor asset deployment decisions. They have more than 20 billion in assets. That's a growth rate rarely seen, and they did it by offering interest rates as high as 18% to depositors before it halted all withdrawals in June amid a panic run by clients. This was brought about by the crypto market's biggest losses in history. It amassed a record value above $3 trillion in November 2021, only to plunge by $920 billion. That's roughly a 60% drop. Cryptocurrency companies have laid off more than 2,000 workers in less than 5 weeks. By far the biggest blow, popular brokerage Coinbase laid off 1,180 employees, or about 18% of its workforce, on June 14th. Weeks after the firm's billionaire CEO, Brian Armstrong, warned investors that a potential recession could lead to a prolonged bear market for cryptocurrencies. In a note announcing the layoffs, Armstrong said he was planning for the worst and acknowledged the firm grew too quickly during the pandemic bull market. Quote, "It was surprising and it was hard," end quote. One former employee posted on LinkedIn. Others described the cuts as, quote, "abrupt and sudden." Also in June, Gemini, the exchange founded by the billionaire Winklevoss twins, said it would cut about 10% of its 1,000 employees. And exchanges Crypto.com and BlockFi said they would terminate 5% and 20% of their workforces respectively. This impacts a collective 430 employees. Since then, lending platform Celsius reportedly laid off 150 workers, and Austrian trading platform Panda cut 270 jobs, calling the move, quote, "necessary to navigate the storm and get out of it financially healthy." The cuts have only continued, with the buzzy non-fungible token marketplace OpenSea laying off about 20% of its workforce on July 14th. The 4-year-old startup was valued at a staggering $13.3 billion in January amid an explosion of NFT sales that has since largely cooled. Even bullish crypto firms have had to reckon with a changing market. Last week, top miner Core Scientific revealed it sold a majority of its Bitcoin pile at an average cost of $23,000 in June, raising more than $167 million. In a statement, CEO Mike Levitt attributed the sales to, quote, "tremendous stress driven by weak markets, higher interest rates, and historic inflation." Canada-based Bitfarms, which made headlines in January by joining Tesla and former billionaire Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy in buying Bitcoin for its balance sheet, also offloaded a large sum, dumping 3,000 Bitcoins, or nearly half of its pile, for $62 million late last month. With recession looming, the worst is yet to come. So if you are looking for a hedge and you're looking into crypto, you really need to think about this. Unlike stocks that have hundreds of years of history of bouncing back after a hard fall, crypto is a new technology and a new market. Do you have the tolerance to ride out this extreme uncertainty? London digital asset brokerage Global Block analyst Marcus Soderoy said that there will be others that will come forward. It's anyone's guess whether the current crypto bear market will ultimately rival the years-long crypto winters of 2014 and 2018, or it is about to get even worse. Are you invested in crypto? Are you reallocating your portfolio? Share with us your strategies in the comments section below. This has been Anna Kate for Noble Gold Investments.